Today is March 16th and I'm going to plant snap peas and some lettuce mix in a container. This is Rhonda Ferree with University of Illinois Extension. I just have this container filled up with the soil, and what I'm going to do is just make some spaces around this trellis or this obelisk that I'm going to plant my peas in. And when you read the package of the peas, it says to plant it about an inch deep. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plant them about an inch deep and about 2 inches apart, which is what the label said to do. Just cover those up just a little bit, about an inch is what they're supposed to be. Now for the lettuce, it says to plant it half an inch deep, and well, usually lettuce you just kind of sprinkle kind of thickly and then thin it to be farther apart once it comes up. So usually we're going to plant it, they're usually about 4 inches, but I think I'm just going to do this one row here that will grow in front of my peas. And I'll just cover those up just slightly.
Let's look closer at those packages, the labels, to see how we plant those. I planted sugar snap peas and mesclun seed mix, and you can see here the sugar snap pea package. When I turn it over, it talks about how we should sow these in full sun in spring and late summer, and the map shows February to April for where I live, and then plant them a depth of 1 inch and about 2 inches apart. For the mesclun greens mix, when we turn that one over, it's going to talk about what's in that mix. It has arugula and red Russian, endive and Bibb and several other types of greens in there. And we're going to plant it about a half an inch deep and thin it to 4 inches, and we're supposed to directly sow it outside when the soil warms until the heat of summer. You can find more information at the University of Illinois Extension website shown here, or you can post questions and see other gardening tips at one of my IL River Hort social media sites, serving Fulton, Mason, Peoria, and Tazewell counties.